My name's Shaun Bowen, and I work for an events company in the warehouse, sorting out all of the equipment to send out to big events. Our big event, well, a week ago we done our biggest event, which was Amazon. So we packed out the whole of the XL. It was pretty good. Yeah, man. Just want to know about property, really. Don't know anything about it, and come across Samuel's a few of his videos. And then I went to one of the crash courses. It was the deal selling course, and then I signed up, and here I am. Yeah. Yeah, amazing. So much information, like information overload. And the demonstrations that Samuel gives is amazing. Yeah, he really gives you all the information that you need. You learn so much. I've gone from knowing nothing at all for actually having a clue about property and feeling like I'm able to actually progress in the industry. Say that again, sorry. Oh, it's been amazing. Everyone's so nice here. We're all here for the same thing, so it's a really good group of people. Sam's amazing. He's really helpful. He's always there for you if you need him. And you can just give him a message on Instagram, and he'll always get back to you. Really nice guy, and really happy to be here. What? Sorry. It's not a scam, so that's great. That's a good start. I joined a different academy, and it was just like an introduction, and it was a weekend thing, and it just felt like a waste of time. And I got asked for my money back and refunds. But here, nothing feels like a waste of time. It's all amazingly put together, and you don't feel like you're wasting your time, and you're getting all the knowledge that you believe you should get. Definitely worth every penny you put in, and if you're thinking of joining the academy, definitely do it. Just go straight into it because every penny's worth it.